Alright, this is a quick Santana type lick. It combines a little bit of the Santana mannerisms of bending, beautiful bending, a lot of vibrato, a lot of passion, and a little bit of reminiscent of his song about magic, and also his song about being smooth. Hope you know what songs I'm talking about, okay? Sounds like this. Alright, so works on a A minor 7 chord or A minor chord, and then it goes to a E chord or E7 chord. Okay? Now it starts with a pre-bend. By a pre-bend, what I mean, you're bending the strings, anticipating this note from the 15th of the high E string, and then you're hitting the string, okay? So it's a little bit of advanced concept. Play around with it, see if you can do it. Let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do a lesson on pre-bends, okay? So you pre-bend it up to the 17th, bring it down to the 15th, don't hit the second time, then you bend it. Alright, so pre-bend, bend, then 12th on the E, then 15th on the E again, then 15th on the B, double bend, 13th on the B, bend 14th on the G, bring it down, and then 12th on the G, and then you rest on that for a bit. Alright, so slowly one more time, the whole thing. Then you go to the 14th, rest there for a bit. Then you go 12th on the D, 14th on the D, 12th on the G, 14th back on the D, then 13th on the G. That's where the E major chord comes in. 13th on the G, and then you slide it up to the 14th on the G, okay? That's very reminiscent of that 90s song with Rob Thomas. Alright, so slowly one more time. Alright, play that in your next Latin jam, or play that whenever any Santana song comes up, with maybe a little bit of wah, and with this pickup on your Les Paul, with the tones rolled down a little bit, and you'll get the Santana sound, okay? Alright, one more time. Alright, if you like this kind of quick licks, please give me a comment or subscribe, like, hit, share, everything. Alright, see you next time. Cheers.